audio and stuff because brand new mic. I don't know if I'm being really fucking loud or not. Am I being super fucking loud? Oh, why isn't Twitch updating? Why is Twitch being a cunt? Why is Twitch being a cunt? Hey, Twitch has stopped being a cunt. I'm alright, I'm alright. I'll keep that like that. Okay, we're live, ladies and gentlemen. We're fucking live. Okay, so, brand new series. I thought to start. Heavy Rain series, of course. I love. Well, I don't love Heavy Rain. I've never actually, played it. I've never played any of the Heavy Rain games. Never. But I've seen some amazing clips of this game, so I thought, fuck it, let's play some. Also, I normally do like a charity thing for these streams, like a charity I randomly choose, and then, we do a whole, I'll go donate to that thing. I chose cancer research for today, because I think, I've been doing a lot of Black Lives Matter, and yes, that is important, but we can't forget other matters. We can't just go, oh, this matters more than everything. Black Lives Matter does matter, but cancer also matters. Multiple things matter, okay? Alright. That's why I did Black Lives Matter first, okay? Don't call me racist. Black Lives Matter first, but, what the fuck? Difficulty, okay. I play video games occasionally, I'm not very, okay. I play them very often. What am I meant? Okay, I can't speak quite regularly. Occasionally, very often. Well, I play them very often, but I feel like that will be. I'll just say occasionally, I guess. Recently, I've been playing a lot of video games because I've been ill, but I don't play them all the time. Jeez, okay. I need to check. Am I good on the audio? Okay. I sound alright. Okay, cool. I'm alright. Why is there a naked guy on my screen? Who the fuck is this guy? Oh, is that Sean? No. Isn't Sean the son or something? I think Sean's the son. Sean the son? I have no idea. I don't play this game, so why? Oh, shit. I was looking at other shit. Okay. Why is he so damn sweaty? I am holding it. Oh, that is annoying, bro. Wait, what? What am I meant to be doing? I am using it. I literally can't walk. Why can't I not walk? I can't walk. I've literally restricted myself. I can't walk. Why can't I walk? My character's physically unable of walking. What the fuck? Are you kidding me? Why can't my character walk? Oh, that. You weren't telling me that game. Why are you like that game? Okay, I've figured out how to walk. We've beaten the game. That is an annoying ass way to fucking walk. That is an extremely annoying way to walk. Why did we come out here? I don't know. Main questions of the game. I feel like I'm gonna have a tough fucking time with this game. Why did you just look in there? Shower.
I better take a shower and get dressed before I go downstairs.
Why are you saying this shit out loud, you dumb prick? Oh my fucking god. Oh yeah, I forgot. The controls are really annoying. Why the fuck?
Gone shopping. I'll pick the kids up from school at lunchtime, and then I'll come home to get things ready for Jason's birthday party.
Okay.
Don't work too hard. I love you.
Okay. Cool. Gamer A. So, we've made it past the main point in the game. I can walk now. Brilliant. A, brush those teeth. What? That's such an annoying way to fuck. What? Fucking. Oh, that's so annoying. I'm charging my controller at the same fucking time. Oh god, this is. I was charging my controller at the same time, so all you can fucking hear is just the cord just hitting the floor. You're already shaved though. Alright, okay. You did. Does that look nicer? I don't know. I think it looks worse. I think it looks worse. I don't like it. Can we have a quick shower? Or are we restricted? Oh, we can. Fucking main point in the game, lads. We got our dick out already. 8 minutes in and already our dick is out. Lovely. Fucking 8 minutes in. Oh, didn't expect to see his bollocks. No, it's bollocks, it's arse. Oh, I really hope I don't see his fucking dick. Oh, fuck. This one's the fucking worst one. Because I have to shake my bed to fucking do that one. Bruh, I don't want to see nothing. I don't want to see anything. Okay, why did your pants get tighter? Oh, we have a bird. Nice. What the fuck is up with his textures? Alright, look. Oh, nope, we've been here. Why? Why? Oh god. No. No. Oh no. I'm used to an Xbox controller, okay? Oh shit. I'm used to an Xbox controller. It's like. Wait, no! It was meant to go fucking. Oh, nah, fuck that. Fuck that. Nah, fuck off. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck this. Fuck that. Fuck you. There's a baby in here? Oh, bro, what's up? Wait, no, get close to me again. What's up, bro? He looks so fucking like... He looks like a cyborg, just... What the f... I'm not meant to be here. Why the fuck does he look so... Just fucking animatronic? Just fucking... Just analysing the room. This is the baby room. I think it's dead. Like, why is he so just robotic? The player models look so robotic. Oh god. Already, our cock is out again. Our cock has been out 2 times in 11 minutes. Brilliant. Why is that bird chirping? That bird's really fucking happy that I'm pissing. Really happy I emptied my bladder. Jesus fuck. Whoa. Okay.
I should get dressed before going downstairs.
Okay, mate. Why the fuck? He's so just... Okay. Okay. I went here though. Bro, why the fuck? I'm doing exactly what it's telling me. Alright, there we go. Oh, you didn't say that last time. I don't think so. I thought you grabbed the shirt. Why are you putting your fucking legs through it? He's just gonna show up like fucking trousers on his arms and his fucking shirt on his legs. Like, that's not how you fucking do it, you robotic fucking bastard. Alright, cool. Okay, we're finally dressed, let's go. I'm gonna say, that shirt's actually pretty nice. What's with the ribbon? Someone's birthday? Coffee.
Nice day outside.
Oh, fuck,
Maybe I could squeeze
meant
in
to
a little
press
garden
coffee.
time.
No, coffee.
I could go for a cup of coffee.
Yes, coffee. I hate coffee, but like... Whatever you want, mate. Wait, what? Oh, we're meant to hold it. We're meant to really fucking look at them. Like fucking eyes bulging out of his fucking head, look at them. Fucking look! Fucking his eyes start bleeding, he's looking so hard. Look at them! Okay, I think we're done. Why were we meant to fucking hold down that button? Sustenance. Tasty grape. What the fuck? Right. Let's eat something. That's not why I pressed on, but whatever. I wanted coffee, so we're getting coffee. I prefer tea and a hot chocolate, but okay. Whatever floats your boat, man. Ooh. I'm just gonna fucking tease him. No. Oh, no. No. He's just doing fucking dumbbells. Just lifting. Fucking weightlifting a coffee cup. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, no. No, not yet. Oh, God. Got close, though. Got close. No. Oh. No. Okay, I'm just gonna let him fucking drink it. There we fucking go. Alright, nice. What are we gonna eat, bro? Orange juice? Bro, you just fucking... Why are you fucking shaking orange juice? Who the fuck does that? You just drank coffee, you weird fuck. You just drank coffee. You weird motherfucker. Why are you playing with toys? You're like fucking 30. That's it? Can we step on it? TV.
Maybe there's something on TV. I could just relax on the couch until Grace and the kids come back.
Bless me. Where's the TV? This is a very like empty house. This doesn't really feel like a very like family house. It feels very cold and sinister. Like there's just plans on the fucking wall. Yeah, get to work, you lazy fuck. What are we gonna do? Oh, we're not gonna get to work apparently. No, sit down. We're gonna work, bro. We're gonna fucking work. What are we gonna draw? Ah, a line. Beautiful. Or another line. Artistic. Okay. That's okay. It told me to make a circle, and it just did a straight line. Ah, beautiful. Okay. 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 What are you drawing? Like, whatever he's drawing, it's good, but like, he's really fucking focused. Oh shit, alright. Alright, he's good at drawing. Well done, my guy. But why is he drawing this? Is there a deeper meaning? Does he try to draw a way out of his life? Oh, nope, there's here. Okay, no deep meaning, it was just he was fucking bored. That is a very robotic smile.
Hey, take it easy, you're gonna knock me over.
They just
So this is
walked
your big
over.
day, huh?
Am I grown up now?
10 years old, that's not exactly grown up, but you're getting there.
Now, can I drive your car?
And I think you're gonna
Okay,
have to
a
wait
kid
little
doesn't
while for that.
fucking ask that. What the demon child?
Ethan,
What the
can you please
fuck?
help me?
How much McDonald's did you
I'm
fucking
coming.
buy? No. No. Fuck off. It just walks
Hey,
out.
thanks a lot for helping me out, Ethan.
Yeah, I'm amazing, I know. It's fucking amazing.
They've been so excited since this
I'm
morning.
leaving.
I could hardly keep them in line.
I
in
want a
the supermarket.
divorce.
How's your
Oh
day?
fuck. I don't know
Managed
how
to get any work
mirrors.
done?
Fuck. I don't know how wind. Fuck. Oh.
You're dead.
Wait, what? Oh, okay. Look.
I guess that means no.
No, fuck off. I'm just not gonna talk to her. I've become a mute. Fuck off. I'm going to
Okay.
work.
Seems you don't want to talk about it.
Fuck off. I'm going back to work. Fuck you. Just scribble on top of it. Oh, we're doing more detail. Okay. Oh, we're overlining. Okay. Wait, what? Oh. Wait, no. Did I press the wrong thing? Oh, yeah, I did. Okay. Okay. Pressing all of them buttons were a bit annoying. I hope that doesn't become a fucking... Alright. Alright. It's a bit annoying, but okay. I'm with you. Alright. I've done my work. I've drawn 2 lines. I can grab those grocery bags now. Where are they? Can I just scream Sean?
Ugh, I've got a billion things to do. It'll
Okay.
never be ready before Jason's pals arrive. Can you please help me? There should be plates in the living room cupboard.
The plates should be in the living room cupboard.
Ethan!
I asked if you could help me with the plates in the living room cupboard.
I told Grace I'd take care of the plates. I'll go play.
No problem, leave it to me.
Where is it? I honestly forgot. I'm not even fucking round.
Oof, it's stuffy in here. I should get some fresh air in the garden.
This guy in the fucking garden.
Hey, Ethan. I thought I asked you to take care of the plates.
No, I'm going
I
in the
forgot,
fucking...
They're in the living room cupboard, right?
Yeah, they haven't moved since last time I asked.
Oh. Goodbye. I'm such a cunt.
Hey, Dad, are you gonna come and play with us, please?
Yes. No, I'm just gonna fucking go back to work. Just say nothing.
I
Okay.
promised your mom I'd set the table. Take 2 minutes, and then I'll come play, okay?
Okay, let's go. Hurry
Just
up,
fucking
we're
go out
waiting.
there. Just run away from doing the plates. Go out there. They ask to fucking play with you. You say no. I'm gonna go do the plates. Where's the plates? Actually, I'm not even joking. I don't even know where the plates are. Hi, how are you? Where are the plates? Can I grab a beer? It just absolutely just piss her off. No, actually, where are the plates? Like, I'm not even joking. I have no idea where they are. Upstairs, maybe? Why would plates be upstairs? Oh, I saw plates. Oh yeah, that's an annoying ass. Apparently they're not plates. Okay. I'm just gonna go upstairs. Fuck all y'all. When he just fucking walked off. Oh, I'm already fallen. I've already fallen in love with this game. I have no idea what I'm meant to be doing, but like, I'm loving it anyway. I'm just disobeying whatever the fuck she tells me to do, and I'm loving this. I'm going to have a piss again. Here's a weak fucking. He just came down there to up here to fucking flush the toilet. Okay. I'm having a blast with this game so far, bro. This is brilliant. This is fucking brilliant. I don't know why, but I'm just gonna check my audio real quick. Everything good? Audio. Is everything good? That was way too loud. I just burst your whole fucking eardrums. Alright, yeah. Sounds good. If it's bad, then please tell me. I have no idea where the fucking plates are. I have no fucking idea. I'm trying to fucking wrap my mind, but I have no idea. Here? Yes, I found it. I think.
That door is always sticking.
Fuck.
Give it a big tug.
Put. Just. Oh, I was hoping we could break them. Can we smash the plates?
That's the set my mother gave us. Be careful, okay?
Don't worry, I wouldn't want to be responsible for a diplomatic incident with your mother.
That was such a fucking robotic way to. Is this man a robot? Like, actual question. I've never played this game, so I don't know what happens. Is he a robot? Please smash one of them. Please, I pray. Oh, we didn't get the chance to smash them. I am done with plates.
She's more goddamn beautiful with every passing day.
Aw, don't stare at me like that.
How about some music?
I thought the kids were waiting to fucking hang out with it. Sure, let's just fucking play some music. Please don't be copyrighted. Yeah. I gotta turn it off just in case if it's copyrighted. Because then wait, can we actually turn off like copyrighted music? Because that would be so helpful. No, doesn't seem like it. That's a bit annoying. Okay. If we find any copyrighted music, then I'm gonna be in trouble. Oh shit! I just closed the door on myself. fuck.
That's it. I'm free as a bird.
But I don't want to play.
5 minutes, boys, okay? After
Bruh.
that, we've got to eat because your friends are going to be here
Okay,
soon.
we promise, Mom.
Let's take 20
Who wants to
minutes.
go
Fuck
first?
her.
First, no, me first.
Easy, fellas.
No,
You'll
me
both have a
first.
turn.
Oh, fuck's sake.
Me first. Me first. No, me first.
Wait, what?
I want to do the helicopter. It's my turn now. It's my turn.
The helicopter does sound cool.
All right, Jason.
I'm
let's
just gonna
do the
fucking
helicopter.
throw him. Stop! Throw him! Throw him! Throw him! Oh, I wanted to throw him.
It's my turn now. It's my
Oh,
turn.
for fuck. Can I just drop kick him? Okay. Drop. Ah.
Okay, Sean, get ready. Here we go.
Just run into the wall. Fuck. Okay. He's better than you in every way. I prefer him. Fuck you. You see this? I prefer him. Okay. Now get the fuck off. Wait, no. Why won't you get off? Get off. Why won't he get off? I want him off. Get off. Okay. This.
Come on, Dad. Show us how strong you are. Big muscles.
Yeah, I am
Be
strong.
careful. Hang on.
What does he want? Oh, for fuck's sake. That really isn't that strong. Like, kids are very small. Like, and very just Why was I about to say fragile? Oh! Fight to the death. Can we fight to the death? I want to kill my son.
You're paying for all your crimes.
I'm going to kill you.
Surrender, weakling. Say your
Just called his son a weakling. I'm gonna fucking kill you. Kill him. Fucking beat your son. I'm gonna fucking kill you, you cunt. Come on. Fucking. I'm gonna fuck. Oh, fucking hell, I'm beating up my son. Beat the fuck out of him. Fuck you. Beat the shit out of you. Oh shit. I just beat him around the fucking head. I'm beating the shit out of my son. And I'm loving it. Yeah. Kill him. I'm gonna fucking kill you. Fucking. Yeah. Now stab him up the arse. Yeah. You're dead. Now can I? Yeah. Fuck you. Stab him in the arse.
Food's ready, kids. You coming
He
in?
killed my son. My favorite. Oh, that was fun. That was really fucking
Sean?
fun.
Lunch is ready.
I'll
Sean.
go get him.
Oh shit! Isn't Sean the one that dies or something? I can't remember. Hello.
Sean?
Wait, no, you're the one who's gonna fucking go missing? I prefer you.
He's dead. He's dead and it's all my fault.
It is all your
No,
fault,
it's
you're
not,
correct.
Sean. Of course it's
No,
not.
it is his fault. It's completely
I'd do
his fault.
anything if you could come back to life.
Well, he can't,
Sean,
and he
some
will
things
never.
just
He's
happen.
fucking dead. He's dead as fuck.
Even if you
That
don't.
fucking
It's not
butterfly,
fair,
is
Dad.
it? No, it
not
was a
fair.
bird. It's dead as fuck. It is so dead. It's
I
not
know.
coming back. It's all your fault, Sean. It's all your
I
fault.
know.
All your fault. What did he do? What? How did the bird die? Did he just fucking crush it with his giant hands? How the fuck did the bird die? Oh, I guess we only get half the game. Oh, okay, the other half. Alright, cool. Look, look, look. What the fuck are my kids doing? Why am I holding this bitch hand? Why does she look so fucking... She's meant to look happy, but she looks fucking injured. Why is this music so fucking loud right now?
I'd like to have a quick look at some shoes for Sean. Can you watch Jason
okay.
for a minute? I
Oh
promise,
fuck,
come on.
Jason's
Sure, no
the worst one. Why do I have to follow fucking Jason? Right,
not going
Jason
anywhere,
is
are we,
going,
Jason?
my boy.
Come on, honey.
Jason's shit. I want Sean. Sean's alright. Fuck's sake, Jason. Why the fuck what is that woman doing? Was she just checking out the fucking plants? Did he just sniff his fingers? Fuck.
Jason!
Oh yes.
Jason!
Just fucking running into this woman.
Jason!
Chasing her down.
Jason!
Fucking Jason. I'm chasing this woman down, just screaming Jason in his... Oh yeah. Fuck. Jason's gone missing. Then sportswear. Okay.
Jason! Jason!
Sorry, but if my son went missing, I would do
Jason!
more than a casual stroll.
Jason! Jason!
Just screaming in this woman's face.
Jason!
Hey, don't push me, bitch. I'll beat the shit out of you.
Jason! Jason!
Just go right in a woman's face and just scream, Jason!
Jason! Jason!
What is this man doing?
Jason!
Just whisper in someone's ear, Jason.
Jason!
I'll bet he's gone to see the clown. I'll bet he's gone to see the clown.
Jason! Jason! Jason!
I can see him right in the corner, but like I'm just gonna
Jason!
continue doing this. I'm just gonna steal this child. No, I want to scream Jason. Oh fuck. Hello, Jason.
Jason,
I'm gonna fucking
really
bitch
shouldn't
slap
wander
you,
off like
Jason.
that, you know?
How fucking dare you?
Awful lot of people in here.
Please, Dad, can I have one? I would really
What?
love to have one.
What, a
Please,
clown?
Dad,
We
come
can't
on.
buy people anymore.
Okay, let's go buy a balloon.
That's illegal.
Great!
Hey,
And
Jen.
very racist.
What's your name?
Jason,
Which balloon would you like?
I've been
Jason?
screaming it for the past
the red
like
one.
3 minutes.
Here you go.
I thought he was about to grab the fucking blue one. Just a
It'll be
colorblind
$2,
clown.
sir.
Jason, wait for me. Wait for your dad, son.
I'm poor.
It's really
We're
crowded
gonna
in
have
here.
to do a runner. I'm not gonna pay.
Sir, you owe me $2.
Fuck's sake. I'm actually gonna have to pay. Do I not have my wallet? Fucking... Alright, sorry, but I always know which pocket my fucking wallet is in.
Keep the change.
It took me long enough. I just fucking body searched myself.
It is
Oh God, Jason.
impossible to try
Jason.
and wear shoes with this crowd.
Jason.
Where's Jason?
He was here a second ago. I bought him a
Jason.
balloon. I turned around and he
Jason.
just disappeared.
Wait, I thought it was Sean that goes missing.
What do you mean disappeared?
Stay here.
She's really fucking
I'll go get him.
disappeared.
I'll be right back.
I'll get him. I'm on the... I loved that before, it was like him running, now it's just a casual stroll
Jason!
again.
Jason! Jason!
Just screaming in this guy's ear.
Jason! Jason!
Maybe he's in here. Let's model.
Jason! 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 Jason!
The blank way he just...
Jason!
Jason!
Jason! Jason!
Jason!
Jason!
I'm not even really going forward. I'm just
Jason!
pushing into people. Hello, sir. How are you?
Jason!
Jesus fucking Christ, bro.
Jason! Jason! Jason!
We were pretty much outside the store. Why can't he
Jason!
leave the store? Right, there we go.
Jason!
Wait, no, we were outside. Why can't he go outside? Is he a fucking vampire?
Jason! Hey man, watch it, dude!
What am I meant to be doing here?
Jason! Hey man, are you nuts? Hey, watch Jason!
Is there a door? No, he's
Jason!
allergic to outside.
Jason! Jason!
Laurence, will you like...
Jason! Jason!
I want extra Jason with fries.
Jason! Jason! Jason!
Why the fuck can't I find this prick?
Jason!
Aren't they meant to be on the outside?
Jason!
I can't fucking go outside. He's
Jason!
allergic to the outside.
Jason!
Okay. Oh, we're meant to
Jason!
be following the balloon.
Jason!
Jason, God, you really had me scared.
It's a...
Jason!
Oh, that's fucking amazing. Oh, oh, oh. Just screams Jason in random kid's face.
Jason!
Oh, oh fucking god. Oh my god.
Jason!
Oh my fuck. I'm crying. Why has half the fucking screen disappeared? Okay, cool. Oh my god. Oh my fuck. Oh my god. Why are you crossing the street, you dumb prick? And I'm dead. Jason. Jason. The kid's just sitting there like, yeah, what's up? My brother's dead. The fuck yes. Bro, why does this seem like the opening to It? Aight. 40 minutes in and already we've been hospitalized. Brilliant. Achievements in this fucking live stream. I've got my dick out. Well, no, I haven't. The character has. I've seen the character's arse. That's an achievement. That's definitely a fucking achievement. This is brilliant. I'm fucking loving this game, bro. This is fucking amazing. This might be my new favorite game. Like, it's just so stupid. Oh, well done to all of these people that made the fucking game. You did a shit job, but I'm so happy you did a shit job. Like, thank you so much for doing a shit job. Oh my god. Why is it so fucking, like, almost foggy? Why is the lens foggy? And why, like, in the reflections of, like, the titles, why is the, like, font in the reflections? Oh, hi, guy. Hey, dude. Why? Hello? Who's this random woman? Hello, old woman. Why does she look so pissed off? What did I do? I did nothing. Oh, God, my ribs are hurting. Right. Set designer. Nice. Why the fuck do we just keep on seeing photos of random people? Oh, hey, random guy. Bruh, beautiful opening. Oh, bruh, best opening to any video game. Shit's all over fucking Fallout, just everything, bro. The best. Best opening ever. Oh god, that was beautiful. I made a, because I'm gonna put this video on YouTube. I quickly checked the thumbnail I made for it, and I did actually put the right name on it. I thought it was Sean that went missing, but I actually thought wrote Jason on the title, so I'm one step ahead of even myself.
Hi, Sean.
Hi, Dad.
Doesn't seem very fucking happy. And also, this isn't very heavy rain, this is more like light rain. This is not heavy rain. Why can't my character work out what a door is? Do I have to go round? Can I just walk in front of the street? Just leave my son in the car. Did he just forget his son existed? Also, where the fuck are we? A nuclear plant? Oh, please say I get to drive. Please say I get to drive. Oh. Wait, what? Okay. Oh! Of course. Do I have to hold it, or no? I just have to press it. Okay, cool. We're off. We're off, gamers. Alright, cool. I have really been enjoying this game. Alright. So Jason's dead. Is Jason dead, or is he like hospitalized? I don't know what kind of scenario we're in. I think hospitalized, but I'm not completely sure on if they're dead, if they're alive. Gonna be honest, I have no idea if Jason's dead. I think he is. I'll hazard a guess that he's dead. What's that TV? Like, what's on TV, I mean? Is that a to-do list? I keep on forgetting how to walk in this game. Oh shit. Homework.
Sean hasn't done his homework yet.
That's good to know, mate.
Grease has Sean this weekend. Seems like he can't wait to get back to his mother.
Okay. Okay. What's up, my guy? How are you? Homework.
Sean, do you want to do your homework now?
Please, Dad, let me watch TV a little while longer. We'll do it later, okay?
The animations on the faces are fucking amazing.
All right, I'll come back a little later.
Just be so like, I want to just be...
It's time for your snack. Are you hungry?
I guess, a little.
Let's
It's
see what
time
we can
for
find
your
in the kitchen.
snack. Are you hungry? Oh my fucking god. I'm just gonna be like, whatever he wants, okay? Why is there just a full fucking pizza? Why does my character keep on shaking up a fucking orange juice? Who the fuck does that? Who the fuck does that? Why is he just chugging orange juice? He just chugged the whole fucking carton. Chug it all. Nah, you ain't done yet. You're chugging the whole fucking thing, mate. Can I actually chug the whole carton? Please say that I can. Or am I just wasting my fucking time? I think I'm wasting my time. I'm definitely wasting my time. Bro, what about the pizza, bro? There's a full fucking pizza. Alright, lit. We just sat down. Nice. Oh, I thought there's... Oh, no, there's something over there. Snack, homework, dinner, bed. Okay. Okay. Can I just go in front of the TV? What's this? What the fuck is this? Is this anime?
Please, Dad. You're in front of the TV.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
My brain cells turn off.
What do you say we play together for a while?
I'd rather watch TV.
What? Okay, you cunt. Alright. Fucking prick. Alright. Oh, I can ask about school.
How are things at school? Is your teacher nice?
Everything's fine, Dad.
Oh, well, you're very fucking talkative, you cunt. Sean's a prick. Why the fuck did Jason have to die? Jason's so fucking much better. Jason was my favourite. Why the fuck did he have to die? Oh, this is... Wait, no, this can't be the same fucking house. It's completely fucking different. Oh. Okay, if you don't know what that's a drawing of, that's a drawing of him at the crime scene with blood all over a car. Lovely. A wet window. Lovely. Who the fuck has their blinds up when it's nighttime? I'm saying this, but I have my blinds up right now. It's nighttime. But like who the fuck has their blinds up at nighttime? I always put my... Wait, no. Blinds... Yeah, blinds up, I mean. Oh, can we change right before bedtime? Oh, we can't go into like PJs? Fuck you. Why can't I go into PJs? Alright, cool. This game consists of a lot of sitting down. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, yes. That's some of the worst music I've ever fucking heard. Is he going to sleep? Wake him up. Fucking shoot him. Where's a BB gun? Just be an absolute nuisance in his life. Can I just fucking leave? I'm leaving, son. This isn't the life I want. I'm off. No! Don't go back. Like, can I at least fucking lock the door? Oh, lovely. What's this? What is it? Oh, it's newspapers and shit. Oh, some mail. Okay.
When the parents came home from church, all their children were gone. They searched and called for them, they cried and begged, but it was all to no avail. The children have never been seen again.
Okay. That's fucking terrifying. It's...
You've got a cold coming on. I'm gonna see if I can find some medicine for you.
Bruh, why does this, fucking... Why does the darkness just look infinitely more scary now because he just fucking read
Do
that?
you want me to get your dinner?
No thanks, I'm not hungry yet.
You fucking cunt. Don't you like my cooking? You ill bastard? I saw that sneeze.
So, do you wanna talk a little?
Talk about what?
I don't know, about you, your friends, how things were going.
Nothing special.
Hmm.
Do you want me to get your dinner?
Oh yeah, I'm really hungry.
Okay, cool.
I'll go see what I can find. I'll call you when it's ready.
It was 2 seconds. Literally fucking 2 seconds. What's in the fridge? Oh, we got pizza. Full ass fucking pizza. Pizza's my favourite food. So. Can we heat up? Microwave pizza. Best dinner. Well, that was fucking quick. I don't think it's cooked. And it's sliced. What the fuck?
You can come now, Sean. Your meal is
One
ready.
slice of pizza.
I'm coming!
That's fucking depressing, bro. I'm going. I'm done with you. I need to ponder on the universe. Oh, I can fully leave. Okay, bye. I'm off. I'm never coming back. Goodbye, son. Why can't I fully just go? Oh yeah, let's play some fucking basketball, bro. One sec. Yeah. Shut. And shut. Fuck. How dare you? Oh, he caught it well though. Come on. Fuck. I will get this. Fuck. This is the most depressing part of this entire game. Fuck. Okay, fuck this. Okay lads, I'm gonna cut the stream here. I've had a lot of fun. I'm doing another stream later with Connor. We're gonna do a podcast. So yeah, this was really fucking fun. Alright, see you lads.